right, what is this thing? All right. Okay. All right, let me introduce you. This is my maestro. This is Mr. Q, Abram Coveto. And
Ricochet.
And this is Ricochet, which is super important. Okay. And he taught me about electric cars. This is an electric car with the plug. And he taught me the electric cars back in 2008. 2008, I took a class with Mr. Q on how to convert a car from gasoline to electric.
What's happening? Jehu in the house.
No, Ron in the house. There we go. Welcome to my podcast. This is episode 2. The first one was kind of a test, but it was a full-on. It was here in-house this time around. We're doing the Zoom thing because we're mid chaos of this coronavirus, right? So
we're in it.
For those of you who don't know, this is Ron, my friend. We've known each other for how long?
I think it's got to be like 4 or 5 years now.
4 or 5 years. I met him in New York while I was doing my videos. He hit me up. And you're in New York right now, right? You're in New Jersey? Is that where you are right now?
Yeah, so I'm in New Jersey, and I'm just 15 minutes from the George Washington Bridge.
Okay.